Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing some Nike Vomeros that I did pick up from the Nike Black Friday sale. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing. You know I got to give you an on feet, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back. So right here I do have my box, big box, you feel me? Got a couple pair of kicks from the Nike Black Friday sale. Trusty box cutter, you know what time it is. We're gonna go ahead and give it that slice, then we're gonna peel it back, and we're gonna turn to the side. We're going to peel it back. All right, here we go. Let's do this. So first, we got the first, let me put this box down. We got the first pair of kicks right here. Standard Nike box, orange Nike box. And this colorway is the Monarch Dark Russet Flax Sail, or what I like to call the Texas, because it always reminds me of the Texas Longhorns, like that color. So I just like to call these the Texas joints, you feel me? Here we go. Let's take a quick look at the shoe. We have the Vomero 5, you feel me? Definitely looks like a classic clean colorway right here. We have that whole kind of burnt orange, I like to call it burnt orange color all throughout the top. We have the same colors, almost monochromatic, but there are a couple different hits, you know, throughout the shoe. Like we do have a white base right here. If you look at the base of the sole, all white. We have the white Nike sign right there. Laces are also that same burnt orange color. Take a quick look at the inside on these joints. We have the Bowerman series. So if you look, there is a little guy in there, Bowerman. I think this is maybe who designed them, or maybe this was one of the running coaches, because these are originally running shoes. Now, I wouldn't run in these because I like to use my, actually I started off running in the Vapors not too long ago, but I like the, all the Flyknit shoes for my running. But here we go. Let's go ahead, unlace these. I did get a size 10, which is my true size, and I have a couple different Vomeros, so it's not my first one. Got these joints. I ain't gonna show the whole collection. I got these joints as well, and I did do a review on those, but I definitely want to give you guys that on feet because they're still on sale on the Nike app. And you can get these for like an extra, I believe, 25% off. And so anybody that's looking, I want to give you that on feet, let you know if you should buy them or if you should pass. Now, to me, they looking like something that I should buy, you feel me? And that's only because I have a lot of other colors, so I know that they're very comfortable. They have a very nice padded sock liner right here as well. You take a quick look at the bottom. Bottom is all white with a little bit of sail in the little pod areas right there, man. But yeah, super clean shoe. If I didn't have any Vomeros, this would not be my first pick, but since I have a couple different colors, I don't feel bad with going with this one. Here we go. And I did happen to, on the sale, I bought a lot of stuff, man. So I did pick this up as well on the sale. This is a, here we go. This is a Nike Windrunner. I really like the Windrunners. It's like a lightweight jacket, something that you can put on. Not if it's snowing, but if it's a little breezy, you can take it easy. Throw this joint on right here, man. But we have the white top, pretty much that same kind of, it's almost the same burnt orange, just a little bit lighter. We have that Nike on that front left right there. And I have a lot of Windrunners, so I just had to add to the collection as well. The retail on this was $100. Now, you know I did not pay $100. I'm not sure exactly how much I paid, but I'll put it up there, you feel me, so you can see the price. But Black Friday, you got to get everything on sale, man. So yeah, quick look at the front, quick look at the back, and we're going to go ahead and get to the on feet portion of this video. And right here we do have the Vomeros on. I do have one, you know, kind of loosely laced, which is how I usually wear it. I have one tight, but just an overall very comfortable, lightweight shoe right here. One thing that I do like is you don't have to worry about the toe box creasing. You can wear these comfortably. And this is what I decided to put on with it. Went ahead with a simple all black fit. Now we do have the black Nike sportswear t-shirt, you know, the classic. Then we have some black Nike shorts right here. And these are actually swimming trunks, but I just wear them casually. Got that nice pocket on the side, little cargo pocket. And these are a 5-inch inseam. So they are pretty short, on the shorter end of the spectrum. But I definitely like the fit of the shorts. Shoes look good. Had to match it up with that Hat Club hat, you feel me? Has the black bill on there. You know, overall just a cool, chill fit. Now let's keep it going. And you know I was not done with just one, so I did pick up also the Vomeros in that vapor green. Now this right here is a fully monochromatic shoe. Basically it means it has one color the whole way through. You have that vapor green all the way through. It's not as bright as a Volt, but it is a pretty bright, standoutish type of a color right here. But yeah, all one color. I'm just give you a couple quick looks at it up close. That nice netted material, very comfortable, very breathable. Quick look at the bottoms right here, man. And you know I gotta give you that on feet portion of this video. And right here we do have the Vomeros going on feet, man. Like I said, I did go true to size on these. These are a size 10. Size 10 is my true size, and I have plenty of room. Definitely a very lightweight, breathable, comfortable shoe. And this is that shoe that's going to stand out, you feel me? I don't wear these all the time. It's not going to be like my every week shoe. I might bust these out every once in a while, but very standout statement style piece right here. Went ahead, threw it on with those stance socks, and I mean, just look at the fit. Now I could go with just something very simple like some sweats and a white tee, and the shoes would carry the fit. But I happen to have this in the closet already. We have the Nike running shorts with the matching jacket, and it just so happens to go perfect, man. It has that same vapor green in the drawstring of the shorts as well as the zippers. But remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.